and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, oh my goodness, thank you so very much. I am beyond excited for today's video. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because I was so inspired by Lauren May here on YouTube. She's also on Instagram. I will leave her YouTube channel down below. She created an oil slick eye tutorial that was absolutely stunning, and I was like, I must try my hand at this right away. It was so beautiful. I was so inspired. So I want to bring you my version of the oil slick eye. If I could do oil slick everything, oil slick hair, oil slick eyes, you know I would. So if you want to see how I created this eye look, then just keep watching. Okay. So what I'm going to be using today is my custom palette. I have a whole video on this. If you want to check it out, I'll link it below. Those are by Coastal Scents, but use whatever you have. And then the little special extra little sprinkle of something on top is the Alchemist Palette. I found this at TJ Maxx for like 12 bucks, I think. So this is just a little something again, a little sprinkle on top, cherry on top of the sundae. So yeah, let's get started in trying to get this eye to look like that eye. These are the only brushes I'm going to be using for the whole look. So, just so you can see what I'm working with here. I don't know, I'm in a weird mood today, you guys. Okay, I'm going to be starting with this brush here, and I'm going to go in with a brownie black. I'm going to start like a halo eye and just kind of darken up this outer edge, staying really low on the lid, in both the inner and outer corners. And for this part, we don't have to be super precise. We're going to clean the look up anyways. And this look definitely takes layers and going in, adding, taking away, going in, adding, and taking away. I have a rag in front of me. I'm cleaning off my brush. Now I'm going in with a good amount of like a caramel tan color. And I'm just going to work that right in the crease. Again, not going too high. Staying right in the crease. Cleaning off the brush again, going back in with espresso, dabbing it right back on top of where we put it before, and now going in with a matte black and laying that right over top. I'm not going too heavy-handed with the black. And then with what's left of my brush, I'm just going to pull the look out. Not worrying about being super precise or super clean. That's what makeup wipes are for. And then in a little bit. In a little bit. Cleaning off the brush again. Now we're going to go in with the deep bronzy metallic. We're going to use that to buff out this outer edge where we laid that matte black. Stopping about a third of the way in, maybe a little bit more. Cleaning off the brush, going in with a coppery metallic. It leans a little bit bronze and copper. And we're going to work that over where we did the inner portion in matte black. Now we're picking up a really fun metallic green. And think of this part as like a spotlight eye. And we're going to lay it right here where we want the light to really catch. And just lay it on top and work it up into the crease just a little bit. And then with a clean brush, we're going in with a bright turquoisey blue, like an ocean blue, and laying that right next to the green, going just over top of that matte black, up into the crease a little bit. The nice thing is you don't have to worry about being super precise with this look. Now here's where we're just going to build the look up even more to make it a little bit more eye-catching, a little bit more bold. So we're going to take a little bit of that bronze shade on a pointed brush that's still soft and slightly fluffy. We're going to go right here because we don't want to lose that bronze, and we're going to elongate. Pull it in a bit. Almost kind of making a swooshing effect to kind of make the brow bone pop out a little bit. Going back to that metallic copper, we're going to just work it right in here. Then with a clean, soft, not too wide brush, grabbing a matte nude on that, tapping it off a bit, we're going to just lay that right on the brow bone. I think adding the matte nude just kind of blends the look to the brow bone instead of it just looking like brow bone. Using that same pointed brush, going to go back in with just a little bit of that smoky espresso, dusting it off because I don't want very much, and just going to make sure we don't lose the smokiness right here. And now, because that is just not enough pop of color right now, we're going to use our little fingers and go in with green and lay that right on top, going up into the crease a bit. Wipe it off, grab that blue and do the same. And then kind of push one color on top of the other. We're going to grab a black eyeliner, do the lower waterline. I like to hit the very outer edge here on the top. And a good matte black liquid eyeliner. This is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, my favorite. We're going to do eyeliner with a very, very small wing. We really don't need a full wing. You could add it. I just use my eyeshadow as my wing. I just did a little teeny tiny little wing just to elongate the eye a little bit. Now grab your favorite makeup wipe. I'm using the Neutrogena Hydra Boost. I love these. I'm going to go right in under here. Clean this up. Then with the fingernail, I'm going to use it to create a nice clean line. Now we're at the stage where it's all about adding those extra little touches to really make the look pop. On a little tiny pointed brush, we're going to smoke out the very outer edge of the lower lash line, right where the eye meets, top lid, bottom lid meets. Then grabbing that deep bronze shade, we're going to do that on the inner third. And then we're going to go in with that beautiful metallic green. Go right to the inner corner and under the eye. Going with a small, dense, but soft brush and the Alchemist Palette, Pink Opal and Ultraviolet. We're going to lay that right in the inner corner. And build it. These you have to build up a little bit. And then we're going to pull it up towards the eyebrow. Then with that very small little defined brush, just Pink Opal, right in the inner corner. With that same brush, we're going to take Emerald Green, go right on top of that green because it really makes it catch the light. Then with the pointed brush, we're going to take a little Emerald Green and just work it up into the crease a little bit, not going all the way down to the lid, just hitting right at the crease, just so it kind of catches the light. Then a little bit of blue sapphire and doing the same. Alright, and now it's time for lashes, and this look is basically done, besides, the rest of my face. Going in with the Lash Paradise Primer, and then the Better Than Sex Mascara. guys, I am back. The rest of the face is totally finished now. I will have everything I used down below. In case you're wondering what this lip combo is, I'm kind of obsessed right now. I don't think I've ever used these three together. It is the Wet n Wild Lay Down the Mauves. I'm obsessed with their lip liners if you haven't tried them. Then I am using the LA Girl matte lipstick in Hush. And on top I am using the Makeup Geek Healing Lip Glaze in Pink Bubbly. I feel like this color combo is just pink enough, just deep enough to complement the eye look. I'm so obsessed with this eye look. Oh, it's so beautiful, it's so fun, it's artistic, it's sexy, it's everything a cool, fun eye look should be. You guys, I had so much fun playing with color and really just trying to harness my, lipstick all over my teeth. Freaking obsessed with this eye look. Can I wear it every day? I might. You never know. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm so excited to start doing more tutorials here on my channel because it's so fun to be inspired and just play with makeup and have it be fun. Forget all the drama of 2019 in the beauty community. Let's bring back the fun. Let's bring back the art. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you follow along, tag me in your pictures. I would love to see it. And like I said, make it your own. Use colors you have in your collection. Just switch up the colors. Do whatever feels right to you and make sure you're just having a good time. Alright, let's do the shout out of the day. Today's shout out of the day is Hamburger Helper. She commented on my Create a Palette With Me video and said, I did get a Coastal Scents Smoky Palette in a BoxyCharm. This was years ago. Their singles used to be $1 each. They were pretty good quality considering it's the same company that made the older Morphe palettes. That's interesting. I did not know that. And thank you so much for the comment. And you totally jogged my memory. I remember that smoky palette. I remember exactly what it looks like. Oh wow. I can't believe how long ago that was. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you for being a member of the Lash fam. And thank you for getting involved and commenting on my channel. It means the world to me. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, go ahead. Just click the subscribe button. Join the Lash fam. You will not regret it. And as always, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.